You don't need to go out and waste your money. In today's video we are sharing 1-day challenge whitening facial which is effective for all skin types. Method 1. Step 1. Cleansing. Take 1 tablespoon cough and 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Massage your face in circular motion with this cleanser about 5 to 7 minutes. And then rinse off. Step 2. Face steaming. Steam your face for about 3 to 4 minutes. Step 3. Scrub. For making scrub you need 1 tablespoon cough, 1 tablespoon rice flour and 1 tablespoon rose water. Mix them very well. It's a very effective scrub. Scrub your face gently then rinse off. Step 4. Mask. Add 1 tablespoon cough, 1 tablespoon gram flour and 1 tablespoon milk in it. Mix it well, apply it to your face and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes then rinse off. Method 2. Step 1. Cleansing. You need 1 tablespoon raw milk and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix it very well. It removes dirt from your skin. Step 2. Scrubbing. You need 1 tablespoon rice flour and 1 tablespoon honey and rose water. Mix all the ingredients very well and apply it to your face. Step 3. Facial massage cream. You need 1 tablespoon curd and a pinch of turmeric. Mix it well and apply it to the skin. It removes darkness from your skin. Massage it gently in circular motion then rinse off. Step 4. Mask. You need half fully ripe banana, 1 tablespoon honey, peel the banana and mash it. Add honey into the mashed banana. Apply it to your skin. This pack will nourish your skin very well. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.